Hi, welcome to Shop Stop. Today we want to talk a little bit about tractor safety.
We have a lot of these compact tractors around, and some of the problems you have with a compact tractor is some of them don't have drawbars, and so when we're pulling on things, we're pulling with a 3-point hitch.
And it's generally not a good idea. You know, we worry about as the hitch point moves up, if we start pulling from a higher point on the tractor, we got a tendency that tractor may want to flip over backwards.
And so, like Randy will demonstrate, if you start pulling that 3-point is free to float, so it can come up and it can get it flipped over before you're ready or before you realize how fast it's going.
Yeah, so naturally if you're pulling from a drawbar, the drawbar is going to stay fixed, which is where we want to pull from, but when we don't have one, we run into this. So maybe a better option might be to hook to the front of the tractor.
Correct, yeah. If you hook to the front, then you change where your leverage points are, and the back of the tractor is heavier, and so it may be able to pull that way without getting yourself in a predicament.
And maybe one of the saving graces for a lot of these smaller tractors is they're light enough that they don't get enough traction to want to pull over backwards. But you never know, you may start spinning a tire and then all of a sudden catch something.
That's right.
And if you do, then when they start going over backwards, they'll go over very fast.
So there's a tip for you on where to hitch to on some of these compacts, keep you out of trouble of possible rollover.
We'll see you next week on Shop Stop.